every day is number of people aware of a secret. On day 1, one person discovers a secret. You are given an integer delay, which means that each person will share the secret with a new person every day, starting from delay days after discovering the secret. You're also given an integer forget, uh, which means that each person will forget the secret, forget days after discovering it. A person cannot share the secret on the same day they forgot it or any day afterwards. Given an integer n, return the number of people who know the secret at the day of end of day n. Since it's may be very large, return it modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So in order to solve this problem, we'll use the concept of dynamic programming. So let's take this sample test case to see how to solve this. So let's define dp of I as the number of people who learn the secret on day I, right? So what is happening in this case is that two things are happening. One, the people who learned the secret on in the past, they will try to share after delay number of days, and the people who learned the secret in the past, they will also start forgetting the secret after forget number of days. So if a person learns on day d, right, so then in the range d plus delay to d plus forget minus 1, they'll be eligible to share the secret to new people, right? So we can keep a running count of how many people are eligible to share, and that would be the count of the new people, number of new people who learn the secret on any given day, right? So let's see this happening with this test case. So initially dp of 1 will be 1 because on day 1 one person discovers a secret, right? Now let's see, let day equals to 2, then day minus delay is equals to 0, which is less than 1, right? So no new person is currently eligible to share, and we can also keep a running count of share, right? Share is 0 currently. Then days to 2 minus forget is what? 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2, which is less than 0, so no one forgets also. Now let's so share remains 0, so dp of 2 is equals to 0. Then day equals to 3, right? Then we say 3 minus delay is what? 1, which is greater than 0. So a new person is eligible because a can now share, because it's day 3, which is 2 2 day 2 days or delay days after a learned the secret, so they can share now. So this will be increased by 1, and let's see if anyone forgets the secret on day 3. 3 minus forget is what? Minus 1, still outside the bound, so no one forgets. So let's mark it like this. Then day equals to 4, right? Then we say uh, day minus delay is what? 4 minus 2 is 2, right? Which is greater than or equals to 1. Then we can say that a new 4 minus 2 is this, right? This index 0 1 2, right? So share will remain 0, right? Then share will remain 1. Then let's check if anyone forgets. 4 minus 4 is 0. So no one forgets, right? Neatly. So we can just mark it as 1. Then day equals to 5. Then we say 5 minus 2 is 3. So a new person becomes eligible for sharing, right? So this will become 2. And let's see if anyone forgets. 5 minus 4 is 1. So dp of 1 is 1. So person forgets, so we can decrement it. So on day 5, one new person learns the secret, right? Then day is equals to 6. Let's see, 6 minus delay is 2. Delay 6 minus delay is 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. So a new person becomes eligible for sharing, right? Then day minus forget is 6 minus 4 is equals to 2, but no dp of 2 is 0, so no one forgets on this day, so we can mark this as 2. Then on day 6 we need to know how many people know the secret, right? So before 6 minus forget, which is 4, 6 minus 4 is equals to 2, right? So before d is less than or equals to 2, or basically for any day less than or equals to 2, right? It doesn't, we don't need to consider them because they will already have forgotten the secret, because it's all forget number of days have already passed till reaching n. So we need to consider 6 minus forget is 2, 4 plus 1. So this will be the starting day. So 6 minus 4 is 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So we need to do dp of 3 plus dp of 4 plus dp of 5 plus dp of 6, right? So let's do that. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5, which is what is returned there. So let's code this approach up. Let dp is equals to this. Initialize to 0, then we can set dp of 1 is equals to 1, right? Because on day 1 one person discovers, and initially no one is eligible to sharing because delay number of days have not passed yet. So we can now loop over each day, so ranging from 2 to n plus 1, right? We can say that share will be increased by some amount, right? Share plus dp of I minus delay, but and we have to keep on modding also with respect to this number. So let's define this mod. 10 to the power 9, right? Plus 7. So this is the mod value. So we can say this will, and another thing will keep happening, that is people will keep on forgetting, right? dp of I minus forget person mod. Now when will this happen is like if I minus delay is greater than or equals to 1, right? Because only after day 1 the secret is shared among people, right? So if I minus delay is greater than or equals to 1, then we can say that the people who are eligible to share on day I will be this, right? And let's check if anyone forgets, and that will happen if I minus forget is greater than or equals to 1, right? Then some people will also forget, and then we can say since share is the running sum, right? So we can set dp of I is equals to share. Then in the end, the starting day for finding the number of people who know the secret on day n, we can say that it will be equals to n minus forget plus 1, or like basically maximum of 1 or this number, right? Because we can't go before day 1, right? Everything starts from day 1, and we can say the answer will be equals to the sum of dp from starting day to n plus 1, and we have to mod this value before returning. So let's try to run the solution now. As you can see, we are passing the sample discusses. So let's try to summon this. As you can see, we have passed all the discusses. So thanks for watching.